Hi everyone, how are you? I'm good. So today I'm going to show you Hipster versus Rockers. So she's going to play. First, go to next option. So I found this game on Pokey. We found this game on Pokey. Okay. We need to dress up them. So you have 3 characters per team. So hair, now shirt. Next shorts or pants. You have skirt, frocks. If you want, you can remove the pant. These are your socks, I think. Shoes. Necklaces or cloths. For next girl. First hairstyle. There are these many hairstyles. Whichever hairstyle you want, you can choose. Shirts, these many are there. 3 only. And there are shorts, skirts. So you can choose on your own. If you want, you can put a coat, but it doesn't suit that lady. If you want, you can put shoes. Finally, necklaces or clothes to neck. And here we have some idea box, right? You can choose some other your own idea. Idea box when you click, so some others idea will come. You have camera there and different things you have. Looks great, right? But let's do it on our own. Why to copy? So then delete, that's all. Hairstyles first. I have many hairstyles, you can choose whichever you want. Coats, socks, shoes, and you have some necklaces, specs, and camera if you want. Yes, our team is ready. So this is how you need to dress them. So hope you enjoyed this. If you like our video, give a big thumbs up. For our latest updates, you can subscribe to our channel. We explained about Vedic maths, robotics, entertainment, games, and many more. So, and share it. Don't forget to share it to your friends and click the bell icon. Do like, share, subscribe.